Friends, exercise 3.6, it's question number 1. Solve the following pairs of the equation by reducing them to a pair of a linear equation. यानी ये दोनों linear equation नहीं है, उसको पहले linear equation में convert करना है, then after we solve it. Here, friends, these two are not linear equation, but first we convert it in a linear equation and then after solve it. Here 1 upon x is equal a, 1 upon y is equal b, 1 upon x is equal a and 1 upon y is equal b. We assume it. Now friends, 1 upon x उसकी जगह पे हम लिखेंगे a, 1 upon x की जगह पे लिखेंगे a by 2 plus 1 upon y की जगह पे b by 3 is equal to, make it in a simple equation 2 and 3. 2 and 3 का LCM आएगा 6, 2 3 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6. Here we multiply 3, here 3, 3a, here 2, here 2, 2b is equal to. After taking LCM, this 6 we multiply here, 3a plus 2b is equal 6 to the 12, give me 1. Now friends, this equation also will convert in a linear equation. 1 upon x की जगह पे हम लिखेंगे a upon 3. I write a in place of 1 upon x. A 1 upon x की जगह पे हमने क्या लिखा? 1 upon x की जगह पे a by 3. 1 upon y की जगह पे b by 2 is equal 13 by 6. Now we take LCM here. 3 और 2 का LCM आएगा 6. Here 2, here 2, 2a. Here 2, here 2, 2a. Here 3, here 3, 3b is equal 13 by 6. This 6 we take this side, it became here. 6 is in one multiplication, 6 6 cut, 2a plus 3b is equal 13. Give it number 2. Now solve these two equations with using the method of elimination. Here friends, keep your hand here. The coefficient of a 2, we make the similar coefficient of a. Keep your finger on equation 1. These two multiply here. These two multiply here. These two multiply here. Keep your finger on equation 2. These three multiply here. These three multiply here. These three multiply here. So what happened here friends? We write here equation 1 is multiplying by 2. And equation 2 is multiplying by 3. इसको 2 से, इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 3 जा 6 से, 2 2 जा 4b, 12 2 जा 24, 3 2 जा 6 से, 3 3 जा 9b, 3 13 जा 39. Equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2 minus minus minus. This term will be cut. 9 के आगे minus 4 के आगे plus write the sign of the greater number. 9 minus 4 5b. 39 के आगे minus 24 के आगे plus बड़े का साइन करो. 39 minus 24 15. So b is equal minus 15 by minus 5. 5 3 जा 5 5 cut. So B is equal negative negative positive. So we got the value of B. The value of B substituted in any equation as you like. We substitute in the second equation. B is equal 3. Sub in 2a plus 3b is equal 13. The value of b is 3. 2a plus 3 b की जगह पे 3 is equal 13. 2a plus 9 is equal 13. This 9 we take that side, it became minus 13 minus 9. So 2a is equal 4. So a is equal 4 by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to cut. So a is equal 2. We find here friends the value of a and b. Sometimes we forget to substitute the value in this substitution. 1 upon x is equal a, 1 upon y is equal b. 1 upon x a की जगह पे लिखेंगे 2, 1 upon y b की जगह पे लिखेंगे 3. इसके डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 है, here 1. Do reciprocal both side. So x is equal 1 by 2. देखो x ऊपर गया, 1 नीचे आया. 1 ऊपर गया, 2 नीचे आया. x फिर है in numerator, 1 in denominator, 1 in numerator, 2 in denominator. So the value of x is 1 by 2 and here y is equal 1 by 3. So thus the solutions are 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So this is our answer. Now friends, we also solve the sum from in this exercise number second, and the sum be 2 by root x, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to, and the second equation is 4 by root x minus 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal minus 1. Here friends, we have to find the value of x and y also here. Friends, we assume here 1 upon root x is equal a, 1 upon root y is equal b. Take it. Now, 2 as it is, 1 upon root x, 1 upon root x, it will be 3, 1 upon root y, b is equal to. And for this equation, we got here 4 as it is, give number 1, 4 as it is, 1 upon root x a, 9 as it is, 1 upon root y b is equal minus 1. Now solve these two equations using the method of elimination. Friends, I keep two sums together because here we multiply these two here and these three here. Also here, if you want to make the similar coefficient of a, these four multiply here, these two multiply here, you can get the answer. But what is here? What is the coefficient of a in the second equation? 4. हम 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 आएगा 2 से. इसको हम अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 2 2 जा 4, इधर 4 है तो इधर 4 और इधर 2 को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, करेंगे तो भी चलेगा. बोथ मेथड आर सेम. हियर इक्वेशन 1 is multiplying by 2. इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 2 जा 4a, 2 3 जा 6b, 2 2 जा 4, here 4a minus 9b is equal minus 1. बराबर. अगर आप इसको 4 और इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा, ऐसा करेंगे तो भी आएगा. Here we change the sign. Here we change the sign, minus plus plus. So I write here equation 1 minus 2. For a cut. So here 6 plus 9 15b, 1 4 plus 1 5. So b is equal 5 by 15. 5 3 ja 5 5 cut. So the answer of B is equal 1 by 3. बच्चों ध्यान रखो 3 डिनोमिनेटर में है तो 3 को डिनोमिनेटर में ही लिखना है. समटाइम्स कई बच्चे ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इसका आंसर 3 होता है. Here is friends 3 is in denominator, so keep it as it is. उसको डिनोमिनेटर में ही रखना. इधर 1 बचेगा, 1 by 3 the value of B. Now this value sub in first equation or second equation as you like. We substitute in the first equation. 2a plus 3b is equal to 2a plus 3. Here is 1 by 3 is equal to 3 3 cut. So 2a plus 1 is equal to, at last we got here 2a plus 1 is equal to 2a is equal to 2 minus 1. 2a is equal 1. So a is equal 1 by 2. ये किसका वैल्यू मिला? a का. Now friends we write here x 1 upon x, 1 upon root x is equal a, 1 upon root y is equal b. The value of a we found here 1 upon 2. So we write here 1 upon 2, 1 upon root y. The value of b 1 by 3. Friends, look here. 1 upon x is equal to 2 था. 1 upon y is equal 3 था. When we take reciprocal here became x is equal 1 by 2, y is equal 1 by 3. इधर देखो दोनों साइड फ्रैक्शन है. उल्टा आएंगे तो क्या होगा? रूट x is equal to and root y is equal 3. Friends, root x is equal to root y is equal 3. स्क्वायर रूट अगर रिमूव करना है तो टेकिंग स्क्वायर बोथ साइड, स्क्वायर स्क्वायर से रूट कट, स्क्वायर से रूट कट. सो x is equal to square 4, y is equal 3 square 9. Thus the solutions are x is equal 4 and y is equal 9. So these are our answer friends. Enjoy this one friends. Thank you very much.